The background that you see right here in this video is actually fake. In this video, I want to teach you on how you can change your background or the background of your YouTube videos from looking like this one to looking as nice as what I have in my background right now. So in my previous videos, I've been filming with this background, which does not look nice and does not appeal my audience so much to watch my videos to end. So I plan on learning on a way to change the background of my videos so that it will look nice and it will really hook my audience to my videos. So I want to also teach everyone how I was able to change the background of my videos using Capcut mobile. So let's go straight into the video.
So you have to download the Capcut mobile from Play Store or App Store. That's the app there. When you open, you select a new project. So we will begin with the background. So we want to select the background that we want to use as the background of our video. So we are going to select from your images you have there. So this is the background we want to use for our video. Okay, so as we select this background, you are going to add the video as an overlay. So an overlay is down at the down menu here. So you select overlay from the down menu. When you select overlay, then you add overlay. Then you go and pick up that video from that menu there. So you pick up the video from this place, the video that you want to change the background. You pick up this video. So we took this video to change the background. Yeah. This is my own video, and then you bring that video into the working space. So you put it in front of the background that you want to use as you want to change your background and use. When you put it there, when you put it in front of that, you want to change the background of this video, so that's the one that the image that you use first as your background is going to be the background of your video. So you go down there, and then and in the menu down there, so the tools that you see down there, you have cut out. So cut out, so you go to remove background here. When you remove the background, the background is going to go off, and then that image that you brought in as your background is going to be the background over there. Yeah, just as you see on the screen. So your own background is going to vanish from there, and they are going to have that image you brought there as your background. So this is how it's going to be like. And anyhow you want to adjust your video, that one will depend on you, because you are the editor here. Yeah. Right now here we want to make our video look nicer, because sometimes maybe when you change the background, you have to make your video look nicer so that it appears nice to your audience. So you adjust you go to adjust button here. You adjust the brightness, the contrast, everything over there, and that's so that your video look nice. Just that's how you want it to be, because that one depends on you and how you want your video to be. So you adjust those places here, adjust so that your video looks nice to your people or your audience that you are showing the video to. Okay, so after adjustment, you are done, and then you click on the top right corner arrow to export.
Your audience will always be hooked to your channel when your videos have a really nice background, or you really have nice graphics that really attract them to watch your videos to the end. So if you do not have that nice background already, then you can also learn from me and then change your background so that it looks nice, so that your audience also gets hooked to your videos and they watch to the end, so that you get more watch hours. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like my video and then you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me to grow on YouTube. Thank you very much.